This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the South Loop on the 40th floor rooftop terrace of 1001 South State, looking out over a fabulous panoramic view of the skyline to the north, out toward Navy Pier, looking out over Grant Park, museum campus, and panning around to the south. This is a terrific location, close to CTA trains, grocery shopping, dining, nightlife, everything just a short walk away, and fabulous views in the building in every direction. I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in apartment 3405, looking southeast over Grant Park and the museum campus toward Lake Michigan, and panning south through floor-to-ceiling windows, have roller shades. It's a nice wide studio, very attractive layout that allows you to separate your sleeping area and your living area. Kitchen has a wide breakfast bar peninsula that can easily seat four. There's a deep undermount stainless steel sink under the quartz counter, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, attractive brushed look cabinetry. It's a tile backsplash. Stainless steel appliance package includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher and a 4-burner gas range. Very attractive layout for a studio. Heading back toward the entryway, looking at the door to the apartment right now. Turning into the bath, where you have a wide vanity with a bank of drawers and a triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above. And the bath has a wide walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling gray tile. Turning again toward the entryway, there's a closet with custom organizers, a second closet with custom organizers, and away from the living and sleeping areas, your in-unit washer-dryer. 1001 South State has an attractive location, a really excellent suite of amenities. The building is pet-friendly, and it belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.